It's been some time. Oh yeah, it's been a while, guys. I haven't been making videos for a while now. I haven't been online making content for a long time, but I'm back now. I left a lot of social media sites such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, because, you know, the community there, it's just not working for me. I'm not growing my channels fast enough like I want to. So what I did was I searched around on various different sites. And unfortunately, being at this site makes the most sense at this point in time. So this video will be going up on Threads and memes. Oh yeah, that's right. You can find my content for the time being on Threads and memes. And if it don't work out at these sites, then I'll just move on to another site, because sites come a dime a dozen. Now, the purpose of this video is Microsoft has bought Activision Blizzard, and I am so happy about that, because now we have true competition in the video game industry. This move is going to light a fire under Sony's you-know-what, because they think they're better than everybody. Even though the Nintendo Switch has completely and totally outsold the PlayStation brand. It outsold the PS4 and it outsold the PS5, and is on its way to surpassing the Nintendo DS and the PlayStation 2. Kudos to Nintendo for that. They're about to make history. But Sony is arrogant. They think they're better than all these companies. And I'm glad Microsoft did what they had to do. They bought Activision Blizzard, and now Microsoft owns a whole lot of franchises. I believe they own more than Sony. And at this point, it's only going to be a matter of time before the Xbox brand wins a generation, at least over Sony. Because Nintendo's doing so good, they're probably going to continue winning generations after this. But that's all I got for now. I just wanted to state those things, and I'll be back again with another video at some point in time. Later.